Hello everyone, Aaron here, and welcome back to Leetcode. Today we're doing the greatest common divisor of strings. First, an apology, I didn't upload yesterday. I missed my train, basically, and it was far too late by the time I got back. The other thing, a little bit of administrivia, is next week I might not be able to upload. I'll do my best. Right, so for two strings S and T, we can say T divides S if and only if S is some repeated concatenation of T, i.e. T is concatenated with itself one or more times. Okay, we just chose different ways to word that. Given two strings, stir1 and stir2, return the largest string X such that X divides both stir1 and stir2. Okay. This is marked as easy. I'm immediately thinking, I don't know how to do it. Anyway, so this one here, stir2 is ABC, and we can say stir1 is ABC, ABC. So obviously all of stir2 is the best divisor, the greatest common divisor. Here we have AB, AB, and we have AB, AB, AB. This is not a divisor of this. It appears in it twice, but it's not nice. It overlaps with itself, so it doesn't count, whereas just half of that AB... sorry, I just had a thought. I think I know how to do this problem now. The AB does repeat 3 times in this, so it's kind of 2 within 3. Here we have Leetcode. There's absolutely nothing in common, so that's all there is to it. The question I guess I want to ask is, first off, which is going to be the dividend, and the other one, which is going to be the... I've forgotten the names for all of these things, whatever. Which is the big one and which is the small one? Here, obviously, this is the small one and this is the big one. We don't necessarily know which way around they're going to go. So let's just fix that. Stir1, stir2 is equal to stir1, stir2 if len stir1 is greater than or equal to len stir2, else stir2 stir1. Oops. So this makes sure that stir2 is the little one. Then what I want to do is, this is where I had this little revelation when thinking about this one. If this does, so first off we'll take the entire thing. Does this divide the bigger thing? In this case the answer is yes, so we're done. In the next case, here, the big one didn't work. We'll work out how to detect that in a minute, but let's say we know it didn't work. So then the question becomes, well, if the whole one doesn't work, would half of it work? In this case, the answer is yes. The half of it would work. And if half of it doesn't work, would a third of it work? Or a quarter? Or a fifth? And so on and so forth. So for I in range len stir2 down to 0, negative 1, negative 1, if divide, so the GCD is equal to stir2 sliced from 0 up to I, well, in fact we just say sliced up to I, self.divide is divisor of stir1 GCD, and self.is divisor of stir2 GCD, If both of those things are true, if it divides both of them, we want to return the GCD. If we get all the way to the end, return the empty string. So in fact, here, I just want to return, go down to 0. So that ends at length 1. So if they're fully repeated strings, well, it seems unlikely. Anyway, there's sort of a bound here. So this set, so yeah, going through it again, ABC, it checks the whole thing, and that works. Great. Then if that doesn't work, it tries halving it. Okay, then it's going to try, well, in this case, it's going to struggle to third it. We'll probably deal with that. We really only want to go through the factors, but if len stir2 mod I does not equal 0, or len stir1 mod I does not equal 0. Continue. So this is our check here. So we can't try doing this one into thirds because the string, it's simply the wrong length. Actually, this one here, this check here will also fix this because it'll be 4. And this is 6. Well, that's just straight up not going to work. So we can immediately say, well, this handles some of the cases for us. But we need to do the final big check, which is def is divisor self sd. So basically, how many repetitions of d do we think we're going to need? Well, the reps is going to be len s over len d. And we want to return s is equal to d times reps. So here, if s is 6 characters long and d is 3 characters long, this is going to be 6 over 3 is 2, so we're going to take 2 repetitions of the divisor, ABC, and we're going to check that's equal to ABC, ABC, which it is. So that is our divisor check. In fact, let's do ls is len s, ld is len d. If ls mod ld does not equal 0, return false. So this is just an immediate check here. We've already done this check up here. So in fact, we don't need to do it again. You know what, let's put it down here because it's more correct down here. And the reason I say it's more correct here is that this checks if S is a divisor of D. There was a chance that if these didn't divide nicely, then we'd get a false result, basically. We could accidentally say that, yes, it is a divisor because of this integer division, when in fact it isn't. So this just makes this a self-contained little function. Right, let's run it and see how we're doing. It looks good. We successfully run that one. We've successfully run that one. And we've successfully run that one. Is there any others we want to try? Can't immediately think of any edge cases. So let's just submit it and see how we go. Oh, perfect. And somehow that was a very fast solution and very memory efficient. So I don't really know what the intended solution was. As I said at the beginning, I didn't really know how to solve this one. My gut instinct says this wouldn't be an easy one. I guess when you actually break it down, it's not bad. It does require some creative thinking though. So very cool little puzzle. This has my seal of approval. Anyway, do let me know down in the comments how you got on. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I will see you next time. Bye.